down.
What's up, y'all? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of BB's Bearded Vlogs, where we go over frequently asked questions about beards and things of that nature, as well as the minoxidil journey. Today, we will be going over what's in the bag, where we take a look at what I have in my bag as far as what I use to maintain and upkeep my beard. Okay, so first, this is the bag. First up, we have, you guessed it, the pouch that's in the bag. What's in the pouch, you ask? I mentioned this in the previous video. You gotta have a beard comb. This is by Barber's brand. I will put the link down in the description below, but also following the beard comb, you need a beard brush, because you can have everything, you can brush your hair for the waves, but if you don't have a separate brush for your beard, it's just not gonna act right. It's not gonna look right. Next up, we have, I don't know if you guys use this. It's something I use. It gave me a considerable amount of gains. Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil extra dark. This stuff works only on pre-existing hairs. So if you got patches like me, it's not going to induce anything at all. Next up, we have by Beard Guys, beard serum with Grotein 20. I think I paid, I believe, $12 for this. Comes in this little thing. If you're consistent with it, you should see a considerable amount of gain. Link will be in the description below for that too, and also for the castor oil. Next up, we have beard oil number 25 by Beard Guys. As you can see from the box, I've been using this a lot. This is something that you put on to moisturize your beard and everything like that. It gives you a nice amount of shine and control over your beard and everything. I've been using this a lot lately. There's barely any in there now. You put that on first before anything else. After washing your beard, I use a bar of soap to wash my beard because it's just a bar of soap. Who heard of beard wash? Finally, we have Beard Guys number 25 Beard Balm. This stuff was $14 or $16 at Walgreens. This gives you a nice amount, a huge amount of control over your beard. For unruly beards, like if you have crinkles, like you see how I have that crinkled up. If I were to put this on, I could bring like extra hair and brush it forward, and it wouldn't look like a patch is there, and it would be pretty manageable. So yeah, that's everything that's inside the bag. And thank you for tuning in to another episode of Beanie's Bearded Vlogs. And as always, please like and subscribe. Big thumbs up on this video. Any questions you have, leave them down in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you. Thank you, and as always, God bless and peace.